Buti nakisama yung weather. So kanina kasi habang nire-review namin medyo nagmamadali na kami. Thank you, thank you. There is an open stretch ahead and I'm going to try its 44, almost 44 horsepower engine. Let's see if it will live up to its name. 1, 2, 3, woo! Alright, so ayan, mag-u-turn na tayo dito and okay. Na-notice ko rin na madali siyang i-U-turn, madali siyang i-turn. And yun nga, dahil siguro sa low center of gravity niya, may accuracy yung yung pag-turn mo kung saan direction mo siya gustong dalhin. Again, it has 450cc engine na twin cylinder. Meron siyang 44 Nm of torque and 6-speed manual transmission. So ayun, kapag nasa medyo low gear ka, sumisipa talaga. Okay, so comfortable rin siya sa mga corners, sa mga turns. I like how it feels.